CLion, a cross-platform IDE for C and C++. Download now.
So, unlike I think everyone else this evening, I'm not gonna talk at all about C++. Unlike tomorrow, where I'll be talking a full hour about possible connection between type traits and static reflection. So you'd better be there. My name is Andrei Zissu. I'm an Israeli C++ veteran and standards member committee. And I wanted just to share with you a quick funny memory from a couple of years ago when ChatGPT was just a tiny few months old baby, and stupid one at that. And it would seem everyone's pastime at the time, you might remember, was to just get ChatGPT to make a fool of itself. And this is how I managed to do it. So I just picked up a conversation and I asked ChatGPT to walk me through how I can manually calculate a square root. So there is some explanation here. I didn't quite delve into whether it might actually make any sense. But, I asked for an example, and the funny thing is that it's reinventing the universe. It makes a very convincing case for absolute bollocks. Long explanation. Bottom line, the square root of 36 is 3. Okie dokie, game on. So, if the square root is 43, then the logical conclusion of this would be that 3 square, what should it be? Oh, it's 9. Okay, how come? And does that mean that 3 is actually the square root of 9, not of 36? Well, yeah, of course it's the square root of 9, but also of 36. Oh, it's both. Okay, and what do we have here? And 3 is the square root of 6. I don't know why it even needed to come up with that bit. So can two numbers share the same square root? Of course they can. Here's your example, 4 and 16. They have the same square root of 2. So does that mean that 2 squared has 2 different results? No, come on, are you stupid? It's always 4, regardless of what other numbers share the same square root. Unfortunately, I didn't continue this, and I doubt this could be reproduced nowadays, but who knows? Thank you.